Prokaryotes, or bacteria, also have organelles. Some are similar to what we find in eukaryotes, some are distinctive to prokaryotes. So let's have a look at these. It's time to be serious, which is a microbiology joke. Prokaryotes have flagellum, or flagella for more than one. Flagella help the bacteria to move around. It helps them to move away from toxins, or it helps them to move towards nutrients. Flicks around, propelling the bacteria forwards. Bacteria also have ribosomes, just like eukaryotes do. Here they do exactly the same job. They take the genetic code and they start putting together amino acids to make protein, some of which could be enzymes. Bacteria also have a cell wall, just like plant cells do, which are eukaryotic. The difference is here it's not made of cellulose, it's made of a substance which is called peptidoglycan. You don't need to remember that word, just remember that the bacteria cell walls are not made of cellulose as they are with plants. Prokaryotes also have something called a capsule which is surrounding the bacteria. Sometimes we call it a slime coat. This can be protective to stop dehydration, or it can also be sticky to help bacteria stick to surfaces. Here you can see that white area around the bacteria, which is the slime coat. Bacteria also has DNA, but the difference with the eukaryotes is that it's not inside the nucleus, but the area it's called is sometimes called a nucleoid. The DNA is one continuous loop. It does look a bit of a mess, as you can see in this picture here. Take stock of the size there. There's a scale at the bottom, 1 micrometer. You fit 1,000 of those micrometers in a millimeter. DNA also has something called a plasmid, which has just come into the scene now. Plasmid is actually a loop of DNA. It can pass from bacteria to bacteria, and it can also contain genes for drug resistance. This is how antibiotic resistance forms. There's a picture of a plasmid. Bacteria also contain something called a mesosome. You don't need to remember this for GCSE biology, but it's in this diagram, and what that is there for is cellular respiration.